Today we're talking great gifts for the vocalist in your life. Keep watching. Hi everybody, it's Christi Bovee with the Voice Love Company. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the little bell below so you don't miss a single video or when I go live. Know somebody who wants voice lessons for Christmas? Click on the link below and get in touch. Now let's get started. Happy holidays, everybody. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are in the world. I wanted to give you a couple of great ideas of gifts for the vocalist in your life. Whether they are a singer or a speaker or an actor, these are all things that will make your vocalist smile for sure. Before I get too deep into this, I want to say you can find all of these products in the description box below. It is my Amazon affiliate link, so just know that if you click on the link and you purchase, a few pennies will come to me. Gift number 1, the Nasal Nasal Care System. Now you're going to laugh at me to think about giving this as a Christmas gift, but for the serious vocalist, this is an absolutely great gift. If you know somebody who really loves nasal irrigation, and who doesn't, you're going to want to get them the Nasal Nasal Care System. It looks like this. And basically how it works is you fill the top with purified water, bottled water. Never put tap water up your sinuses. It can make a lot of problems. You put a little pod, saline pod, in the top here, click this down, and then you put the pillows in your nose, the nose pillows. The water shoots up one side and sucks out the other into the bottom chamber below. It's clean, it's fast, and it's really effective. It's really important as a vocalist that we take care of our sinuses. And if you have a lot of postnasal drip, it can cause a lot of irritation for your voice. This tends to keep that at bay. If you have allergies or any other sinus issues, this can be extremely helpful and a really thoughtful gift. Gift number 2, a humidifier. Now for those of you who live in humid climates, this may sound kind of funny, but it is actually really important for a vocalist to have the proper amount of humidity in the air. You can buy your vocalist a humidifier that humidifies the whole room, but one that is even more important would be a personal humidifier, one that you hold up to your face and you breathe in the cool mist or steam. It's really important to remember that when we drink water, water never actually touches the vocal folds because the epiglottis goes over the windpipe. They never actually get that moisture directly. The way we get moisture onto the vocal folds directly is by breathing in steamy or misty water that can be directly moisturizing the vocal folds themselves. Professional vocalists, whether they're speakers, singers, or actors, will often mist their vocal folds before a performance, at the intermission, and at the end when it's all over. So gifting some form of a humidifier can be a super thoughtful gift for the vocalist in your life. Gift number 3, a really nice microphone. If your vocalist has it on their 2021 bucket list to start a podcast or an ASMR channel, a really thoughtful gift would be a USB microphone. I've done research on USB mics, and the one that rises to the top every time is the Blue Yeti. It comes highly recommended by ASMR artists on YouTube, and it has a really good sound. I use mine for teaching online lessons. Depending on which Blue Yeti you purchase, it has a variety of different modes that it can capture your sound. It's very user-friendly and designed for easy streaming, and the sound clarity of this mic is unparalleled. Give your vocalist a leg up with a really nice microphone to start the new year. And last but not least, gift number 4, voice lessons. There are a lot of packages and programs on the market that you can purchase. You can download different teaching systems and work on them, but one of the best things you can do as a vocalist is work one-on-one with a voice teaching professional. They can watch you, they can really see what course corrections you need to make, and you will actually progress faster. I have a buy 3 get 1 lesson free package for Christmas. Click on the link below, and I would love to see you at your next private voice lesson online. Well, that's it for me today. Like if you liked it, subscribe, and don't forget to share with someone who might need some great gift ideas this Christmas. You can ask me any question about your voice in the comments down below, on my blog at voicelove.co, on Instagram at The Voice Love Company, and now on Wizio.com. Get all those details in the description box below. Keep finding your voice and making your sound in the world today. The world is waiting for what you bring. And remember, you are loved. Bye, guys.